Welcome to Roadside Recipes with Yama Vans. Tonight we are making shrimp scampi. Shrimp scampi is a delicious pasta dish that comes together in less than 20 minutes. To a pan on medium heat, we're going to add a little bit of olive oil, butter, and then some sliced shallots. Then add garlic, cherry tomatoes, lemon zest, chili flakes, and cook together for a few more minutes. Add the shrimp and cook until pink. Then add some white wine and finish with some fresh parsley. Season with salt and pepper, and then the sauce is done and we're ready for the noodles. Add cooked pasta noodles to the pan and mix everything together. Thanks for cooking along. We hope you had fun. This is Roadside Recipes. Hope you enjoy.